This is Slingshot Head Explosion, back for another video. Well, today I'm showing you my wood harpoon light gun. If you're wondering how to cock it, you see that little wood spot in there. When you pull the trigger, that'll go down. So when you pull the trigger, you want to pull this part back and the other side to pull back. Then let go of the trigger when you're ready. So I'm showing you all angles of it. I'm trying to get to a good camera. And here is where you'd stick the arrow. Well, there you are. Well, let's go shoot it. Just let me set that down real quick. And you wanna, the reason I'm using these arrows is you don't want to shoot it with feathers, because, you know. So what you do is, since I'm filming, I'm gonna hold it there. So what you want to do, it's super simple. Just stick the arrow down in that hole. There it is. So let's go shoot it. It's in there? Okay. Well, let me just reload it. Sorry about that. Filming. So let's shoot it. You can use one hand. I'd suggest using one. Let's see how it fires. I'm not the best at filming this. My helper, my dad's inside, so here's the one. Oh my god. Okay. Oops. Well, I'll try to reload it real quick, so let me just shut this down. From the back. Well, finally I got it. Perfect angle where I can shoot this. Dad's out there. I'm gonna shoot it like I can, like a kind of pistol. Well, that's it for today. So goodbye and